Let's look at it, guys. So it's examine the pattern below, use it to answer item 21. So they went from, you just have to study. They went from 3 to 7, then from 7 to 15, and then some number here, and then this. So two ways you can look at it, right? You can say, all right, they could. So we're gonna look first. So we say they could have possibly added 4, because 3 plus 4 is 7. But if you notice, they didn't have 4 here. So what's the difference between 15 and 7? It's 8, right? So you could say, well, it look like them double this then. So yeah, test it, And then now, possible, that means you would just double the 8, which is 16. So 15 plus 16, 31. And then you could try it now. If you double the 16, it means that you're going to get 32. And then 31 plus that give you the 63. So we could say that would correct. Another way you could look at it, you could say there's a 2 times 3 and then add 1. Because look, 2 times 3 is 6. And then you add 1. That will give you the 7. All right, look at this again. 2 times 7 is 14 plus the 1. You get 15. 2 times 15 plus 1 give you the 31. And then 2 times the 31. So two ways you could have looked at it. That will give you a 62 plus the 1 give you the 63. So there are so many ways that you have to just do a little trial and error, guys, because these are puzzles. And we don't know what the pattern is, so we're going to use our mathematical skills, our multiplication skill. Sometimes they can square the number, right? They can square the number at times. And next time they can say 2 times the number. And next time they can double the number. And next time they can just multiply the number times the next number. So there are so many ways that they can do it, or they can just double whatever. So we just have to look and try to figure out that. All right. So that will be 31. Welcome, Barry. All right. We did one like this, similar to this yesterday. We did one similar to this yesterday. So let's see if we can figure out this one, guys. And they say start here. They say the numbers in each below follow the same rule. Use the first 3 to find the missing number for the 4th one. And they say start here. So I guess they want you to start here. Not sure why, but they want you to start here. So go ahead and try it, guys. Let me pause this. I'll explain this one, guys. You can go ahead.
Sir, what I did, sir, I was looking at the second one, sir. What is 6, 12, 18, sir?
Mm-hmm.
I was seeing that 12, 6, and 18, sir. So when I was looking at my timetable, sir, the 8, the 24, sir, so based on my timetable, sir, I was saying probably it's going to be 48. That's going to come in the little circle thing, sir.
Oh. So you pick up the pattern though?
Yes, sir.
What it is, guys, this one is a little bit different from the previous one, right? So what it is, we have 9, 4, 15, 12, 6, 18, 17, 7, 30. What stood out to me, guys, I realized that this one, because you have to be looking at all the little clues. All of these are multiples of which number? I just kind of look at it and say, you know that these are multiples of a particular number. You can tell me which number I'm thinking about.
Sure, 3.
3, yeah. And then I noticed now, I said, this 4 and 5, 12 and 6, 17 and 7. And then I say, oh, I think it's the difference. So 9 take away 4 will give us 5, and then we times it by the 3. So that doesn't mean it's correct yet, I have to test this one. So 12 take away 6 will give us 6, and then I times it by the 3. 6 3 is 18, it worked. But we still have to try that 1 year, because if it don't work for that 1 year, it means that it's off. And of course, 17 take away 7 is 10, and 10 times 3. So I pick up the pattern now and I say, okay, 24 take away. You guys can finish it for me? What will be the answer? Let me not finish it, because you are the ones doing the exam. Who can tell me what's the answer? Can you guys finish it from the pattern that I was showing you?
Sir, 24 times 2, sir?
24 take away.
Sir, 48.
How you get the 48?
So since I subtracted the 8 from the 24, I got 16, and then I multiplied by 3 and I got 48.
Yeah, because that's the pattern. So for all of them, that's how they're doing it. They subtract, so that's why let's start from here. So I guess it's 24 take away 8 times 3. And of course, as you said, that would be 48. So guys, you just have to look deep. They're not gonna be straightforward. You just have to look deep, try something, look at it, notice everything. And that is why the more skill you have in maths, the easier it will be for you. Alright. A number is given in the box below. Use it to answer item 23. A number with the digits 8 is added to a number with the digit 8 is added to the number in the box to make it 900. What is the place value of the digit 3 in the number that is added? So look again. A number with the digit 8 is added to the number in the box to make it 900. What is the place value of the digit 3 in the number that is added? This one you have to do with place value. Alright, so Mia, you're gonna walk us through this one.
So, sir, what I did to get the answer, sir, I said 900 take away 87, sir.
Oh, you just take away it and then you look which place.
Yes, sir.
That makes
And
sense, you know.
Sir.
Because you know the total is 900. You just subtract. So 7 from that you can't. Alright, so you borrow then. So this now would be 10, but then you have to borrow 1. So basically this you go leave 9. And of course 7 from that leave 3. 8 from that leave 1. And then you have 8. Alright. So basically they ask the digit 3. And that's why we have to understand what digit mean. Right? Numbers are made up of digits. Alright, so that's correct. So easy it was, guys. but we have to read it and interpret it, and that's where the challenge comes in. So we just have to keep practicing and keep doing our thing. All right, this one is Blue's Clues. Let's see if we can figure out this one. 4 siblings, Nicholas, Aaron, Tanya, and Lori are to be arranged in order from the youngest to the oldest. Use this information and the clues given below to answer item 24. And here are the clues. Tanya is neither the youngest nor the oldest. Aaron is older than Nicholas, but younger than Lori. All right, so let me drop the. You guys won't be able to see all of them at once. So I'll show you them one, guys. But read it and kind of have an interpretation. I'll write down the clues, guys. Let me pause it and make you write down the clues. And then we can go through them one, and you decide which is which, all right? All right, this one was pretty interesting. So it said 4 siblings, Nicholas, Tanya, and Lori, are to be arranged from the youngest to the oldest. Very important. All right, so it's ascending order. Use this information and the clues given below to answer item 24.
Sir, I'm going to leave and join back.
The first one, guys, that kind of stood out to me, said Tanya is neither the youngest nor the oldest. So that means Tanya must in the middle. So the fact that Tanya is here, we can cross it off, right? That's what I would do first. Let's work with the first two first. See Tanya at the end, so we cross off these two. So it's definitely between these, right? Because Tanya is in the middle here, and she's in the middle there again. All right, we could try to go to the second clue now to figure out what goes where. It said Aaron is older than Nicholas, but younger than Lori. So Aaron is older than Nicholas, but younger than Lori. So in this case, I'm thinking Lori is older. Of these three, Lori would definitely be the older one, the senior one for these three, because he said Aaron is younger than Nicholas. No, he's older than Nicholas, right? That means whatever Nicholas' age is, Aaron is gonna pass it, but he's not gonna reach Lori age. So that is the clue that I used to see. So Aaron is older than Nicholas. So I could see if here Aaron is older for C. Aaron is older than Nicholas. All right, so Nicholas is basically 3.
Sir, I'm correct?
Yeah, man, you are. I agree with it. And then, so Aaron is older than Nicholas here, right? Because see, Aaron is 7, Nicholas is 3. So I would say Aaron is older. But let's check for the other clue that it says, but younger than Lori. So Lori is 10. That means Aaron is younger than Lori, but older than Nicholas. I could see if what these say. See there, Lori is younger here, so it can't be this. Because Lori is younger than Aaron here. So that's a problem. Alright, so it's definitely C. Good job, guys. Good job. Alright, one more. These are the clues part, so these take a little more time. Alright, Jodian estimated the number of people at the amusement park to be 5,000. Which of the following numbers could not be the actual number of people at the park? We can speak on this one freely. What you guys think could be the answer for this one? All right, thanks, Mia. I agree. So we basically have 9 minutes. Let's see what Claudina thinks. New messages. Let's go. Yeah, Claudina, that's correct. All right, so it's actually rounding off. So it said Jodian estimated the number of people at the amusement park to be 5,000. So the number that we're rounding off is to 5,000. All right, and of course it says Jody estimated that the amusement park, which of the following numbers could not be the actual number. So all we need to do is just round off all of these numbers to the nearest 1,000 and see which one of them is not to 1,000. So what we can do now, all right, this is 670, so it passed 500. So if we round off this, it will be 6,000. If we round off this one, it's 5,000 because it don't reach 500. Because this passed 500, the nearest 100 would be 5,000. So once it passed 500, we can round off to the nearest 1,000, which is up. So this one would be the odd one up. All right. So guys, this will be the last one for today. He said, Luke thought of a number and performed the steps below. Use the steps that Luke used to answer item 26. Step 1, multiply the number he thought of by 4. Step 2, add 18 to the result of step 1. Step 3, divide the result of step 2 by 3. And the last step is to subtract 8 from the result of step 3. And they say after the following steps, Luke ended up with 14. What is the number he thought of? So you have 4 minutes to do that, guys. And then we will end class. We did one like this yesterday, so we should be able to complete it. All right, good luck. All right. So say Luke thought of a number, perform the steps below, use the steps that Luke used to answer 26. Step 1, multiply the number he thought of by 4. Step 2, add 18 to the result of step 1. Step 3, divide the result of step 2 by 3. While step 4, subtract 8 from the result. Now I said two ways you can do this, right? We can either try all of these numbers or we can start from the end. So you say ended up with 14, so we can start from there. However, we have to take the opposite of whatever is that. So like when you say minus 8, we do the opposite. What's the opposite of minus 8?
Plus 8.
Plus 8. All right. Next one, they say divide the result of step 2 by 3. So divide by 3. What's the opposite of dividing by 3?
Times by 3.
Yeah, times by 3. So we're going to start with 14 and then we're going to basically do the opposite of whatever is happening. All right. Starting from the top. All right. We say add 18 to the result. So we add 18. What's the opposite of adding 18? Or the inverse?
Subtracting.
Yeah, subtract 18. And the last one says multiply the number he thought of by 4. So it's basically all 4 operations. So multiply by 4. What's the opposite of multiplying by 4?
Divide by 4.
Divide by 4. So that's how we're going to start off. We start off with 4. And it's basically we're starting from here. So we can start from here because I wrote them like this. So we're at 14. The first step is to plus 8. When you get the result, so 12 plus 8 rather, is what? 22. See that? And then the next step is to multiply by 3. So we take the 22 now, and we times it by 3. So it will be 22 times 3, which work out to what? What's 22 times 3, guys? 22 times 3. Anyone?
66.
66. Now we're one team, you know, guys. Well, we are work together. So this is 66, right? And then now the next step is to subtract 18 from this. So it will be 66 minus 18. So we can do this way. So 66 take away 18. 8 from 6 we can't, so we're gonna borrow 1, so that leaves 5. And then 8 from 16 leave 8, 1 from 5. So we know at
48.
Yeah, very good. So it will be 48 divided by the 4. What's 48 divided by 4? That's our answer.
12.
12. So our answer would be 12. Alright, so someone is asking when class finished. It is finished now, guys. Alright, so I'll see you guys next week, Saturday. But just keep working, guys, alright? I will upload some videos. So just look out for those, alright? So you guys can keep practicing. So take care, guys. See you Saturday again, alright?
Bye, sir.
Bye, take care. See you Saturday, alright?
Okay, sir.
Yeah. We're gonna continue this paper. So we stop at what, 26? Yeah. Yeah, Claudine, class is over. Oh, forgot you're hearing, not hearing me. Alright. See you guys, alright? Take care, guys. Take care.